Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. And I don't know today we are going to talk about where the description of the video say. So consider to subscribe and like if for your first time over here.
Where you want to see her? You say you want to go for your birthday.
I want to go Atlantis.
You want to go where?
Bahamas.
How you go?
I go Atlantis. Bahamas. Go to the Bahamas.
That I go on Holland there, viewers and subscribers. Govana set some box and ask him mother which one she want to go for her birthday, you see me? And that go on, you see me? And when I got in the line, we have to share this with the people, them, I swear. And I make a comment on the post itself and say, this you call badness, you see me? Some people say, what you mean? But I'm not joke, hear this. It's easy for pull a trigger, but who can actually buy the mother a big house and take her out of the ghetto? Take her on chips like that, if you don't understand. So that's the real badness, is it? So enter the day we just want to bless up Govana upon the move, yeah. You see me, you have to influence other people just the same. So at them you have to pray. Them you have to pray right now. Upliftment, you see me. And talking about upliftment, Shenseea and the other hand introduced our new manager to social media. And it wasn't Romeich. It looked like film office closed. That him said. But anyways, this manager is an international artist, so you can expect a new chapter from Shenseea. You see me? She share this on our page with the caption saying, Shenyangs, I'm introducing my new manager, so I don't know that go. You see me? We can hope for see the best right now, because see TJ left, see Shenseea left. I mean, something must have gone down in the camp itself, you see it? So it's bigger than social media and it's soon unravel, I guess. But for now, we can just expect growth from where artists them just the same, nothing no changes, you me? And who know, Holland, we always have live video at the end of the video, so please do enjoy.
Weekend, Sunday man flying back.
A pass here getting on that nice, yo.
Excuse. Stop doing that, brother, man.
Put on that.
I have the black one. I'm going for the black one.
Not nice, put on that. Me hear me I want you, not nice. Me I have friend. Put it down.
Alright.
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 I'm gonna watch back the live, you know.
Alright. Yo, I used to tell you that bomba class. People, crush ice and cherry. Next week, Saturday, I'm murdering in New Jersey. Trouble Diddy. You see me? Trouble Diddy.
Not nice. Talk, go on talk, not nice.
One talk.
Not nice.
No,
Give me a joke,
yo,
not nice.
yo, brother. When the girl I'm calling for the fucking money in my youth.
Yeah, that make a girl
Alright,
call
you
you,
know,
dog. Not nice, can be honest with you, one duppy come over me about 30 minutes now. Or 25 or about 15. If I catch a rate, one duppy over me, not nice. Me no want any life. Keep talk. Where are the two girls them not nice? Where girl them there?
Add them, brother.
Where girl them? Understand need free money.
Add them.
Add the girl them. Where girl them there?
You know what I'm saying? Look at them girl really now wear dress with you, brother. Them really now wearing a dress with you, brother. Cause you can't, brother. 1,320 women upon this. Or basically say 1,000 women upon this. And I can't show 25 jobs to get the money. We not to show your pussy, we not to show your breast, we not to show your body.
Yo.
We just have to show some jazz. No, sir.
Yeah.
No, my vex, no, roll like my vex, no. I want roll like for 100 of them want girl, brother. I want some of the brother.
You're pervert.
You're pervert?
You can't see 320 people on the live. I said 320 girls on the live. Why you do not nice?
I say 1,300 and bumbo clad people that on life and 1,000 of them are
No,
woman.
you said 300 girl.
No, I say 1,000 woman, 300 and man. We just give
You're
that.
a pervert. The girl them know what show me. Tell the girl them to show me 25 G string and it,
Right, that's so. Can't blood class tell me. Brother, I'm going to give them $100, brother.
just pick up, just read a name and give a girl the 100.
She have to show with the draw and draws them.
You that nice. The girls them say one girl just here say 200 first, now they say 100.
Listen up. 200 was for the blood clot, 50. So the doctor 25, so 100. Fuck you. Let's do that. A business we are run over here. 3 to 5 business days. 3 to 5 business days. Doctor 50 first, then the 25. So we are doing $100 then. If it show the 50 jars, you get the blood clot $200. No, that. Stop the man.
Yo, not nice.
Stop fucking playing me, man. Right there, so. Pussy blood clot.
Yo.
Am I you? Easy with the fucking brother. So, who are calling? What should I?
Yo, you know see Bombok, you know see RT Bass me on the live over there.
Yeah. Yo, dog. Yo. Yo. You know, like now I call the man go dress up, you know, and go sit in the chair. I come and talk about a fuckery. When I say that, I say, Father God, I beg you, cover
nice. The girl them say, what if they know your panty?
So that matters, so that's why nobody not calling because them no weird draws. Them no weird draws. Them girls no weird draws, brother. I'm a people, I'm tell you something. It's an era. Anything him say on him live and they say that law. And that we are weird pan. Because I'm in a fucker. You see me?
Hello.
You know, every day when the man par and bag of something and the man do my ads and say Connecticut. You see, you're a wicked people. A wicked people.
Can I get fried chicken, rice and peas, no vegetable, brown stew gravy, please. Can I have an extra cake of gravy, please? Dark meat.
No, you're welcome to our beef.
How long is that gonna take?
No beef for you, sir. Yo, I can't believe it's not 1,300. None of them no jars be. They have 25 jars for sure.
World Dawg. Alright, thank you.
You know what? People, Cushers and Cherry, may I give us some jars. God knows. No, man. Cushers and Cherry, may I give us some jars. May I give it over 50 jars. Come on, I can't do this. We don't know. You know the jars? How the blood clot this? Well, dog, you find them not the jars? This serious. Yo, this blood clot serious, brother. And money we are doing now. And nobody can show we not have to show your face. We not have to show your pussy. We not have to show your body. We not have to show 25 pussy blood clot. Victoria's Secret.
Not nice. People them must have circle with.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, the people them must have circle with that.
Paper Cushers and Cherry.
Circle with. Not nice. Circle with, not nice.
Paper Cushers and Cherry, July 17.
Not nice. Circle with. Cushers and Cherry next week. Yeah. Circle with.
And the boy come to visit and I talk about blood clot.
Not nice. Circle with them on a that. You know, ear man, yo. Circle with them on.
Me now
The
blood
people them
clot.
say, back in a 5 minutes time.
Me
Circle
now
with them,
move. Me
man.
now blood clot. Me now move, brother. Me now move.
Not nice. The people them say, circle with dog.
Me
Circle with not nice.
never see that, brother. Me now move. Me now
See,
blood.
people them put the circle in not nice. And people them say, circle
And
with
you
not nice.
just said pussy hole. That's something I like
Not
you, my
nice.
youth.
Circle with not nice. Easy no man, no man. Normal in the man. A long time people them put you, I never too say nothing, but the people them say, circle with dog. Yeah, man, circle with man. Next week, Saturday, Crush Ice and Cherry, Loud, New Jersey, Not Nice Party, outside.
Pussy. Yeah, pussy. You can't see me like you.
Circle with.
Yo, cut me off now. Fuck me,
Yeah, man,
cut me off.
circle. We get
Cut
time,
me off.
circle.
Cut me off. Pussy.
Circle. Circle.